An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. The reason I started this video with this quote is because one of the biggest mistakes I see people make when it comes to list building is targeting the wrong audience. In fact, if you get this wrong, no matter how much effort you put into your email marketing, you'll fail to connect with your audience. You'll fail to nurture them, and you'll be left wondering what went wrong. The root cause of the problem is your lead magnet messaging. You see, there are many ways to build an email list, but 99% of the time we use the most common approach, which is using a lead magnet to attract the type of people we want. We all know that our lead magnet is the gateway to our audience. It is the first impression, the handshake, the promise of value. But if the messaging at the front doesn't align with what we deliver at the back, you are going to setting yourself up for failure. It is so important that this dictates whether you'll attract people with money who can whip out their credit card whenever they see your offer, or people who don't care about whatever you say to them. Think of it like this. Imagine walking into a restaurant because the sign outside says they sell the best burgers in the town. But once you are inside, you find out they only serve raw fish. You'd feel misled, right? And as a result, no matter how great their selling approach is, no matter how compelling the customer service is, you're not going to buy anything from them. The same applies to email marketing. So the fix to this problem is very simple and straightforward. Get ultra specific about your customer avatar. This is where most people go wrong. They create a lead magnet that's too broad or doesn't directly address a core pain point of their ideal customer. Instead, you need to dive deep into who your customer is, what they struggle with, and what they truly want. For example, if you are a service provider, your lead magnet offer a solution to a specific problem, and then you sell the implementation of that solution. This creates a strong, resonant message that attracts the right people, those who actually care about what you offer and are willing to pay for it. Why is this so important? You see, ultimately, what we're trying to do here is get people to enter the buying cycle. And why do we want them to enter the buying cycle? Well, it is because we can have access to a database of customers and we can follow up with them whenever we want. When it comes to marketing, nothing can come close to the results you can get with follow-up email marketing. So it is very important what you say inside your list, but it is more important what you say outside your list, because the customer journey begins the moment they lay eyes on your ads or content, and that leads them to your landing page, and which gets them into your list. If they have come this far, this basically means only one thing: they need what you have. They showed a reaction to your lead magnet. Now pay attention, this is very important. They showed a reaction to your lead magnet. This means they want something. It signals a deeper level of interest, the value in what you offer, and are open to building a relationship with you. It is the first step they took. They purposefully entered the buying cycle. And the beauty here is that you can never force anyone to enter a buying cycle. They have to choose to enter it themselves. And when they do, it is your job to guide them through the rest of the journey. And the buying cycle consists of several stages: awareness, consideration, intent, purchase, and repurchase. When someone downloads your lead magnet, they have entered the awareness stage. They have signaled that they are interested in what you are saying. This is where your lead magnet and emails come into play. Your lead magnet and emails are nurturing tools that move them from awareness to purchase. As Dan Kennedy said, your lead magnet should be like a sales letter, and it should be able to get people into a buying decision. This basically means it is an educational material that helps the prospect move through the awareness stage. But this is where most people make the mistake. They create a lead magnet that has nothing to do with what they actually offer, and they wonder why their email marketing is not working. Well, now you understand why. For example, if you are selling a course on machine learning and AI, your lead magnet can be about ChatGPT. That's a mismatch. Your audience signed up for one thing but got another. The moment they sense that disconnect, they will exit the buying cycle, and once they're out, they're gone for good. This is why it is important to ensure that your messaging is consistent from start to finish. Every step of the process, from your ad to your landing page to your lead magnet and emails, must flow logically. If something feels off, fix it. Remove any doubt in your prospect's mind, because doubt is the killer of conversions. So let's break it down further. The ad or content. This is where the journey begins. Your ad or content needs to grab attention and speak directly to your ideal customers' pain points or desires. Number two is landing page. This is where you make your promise. So landing page should clearly communicate the value of your lead magnet and why it is worth their email address. Number three, the lead magnet. This is the delivery of your promise. Your lead magnet must solve a specific problem or provide real value. It should be directly tied to what you ultimately offer, because this will help you sell your core offer. Number four, the emails. This is where you nurture your audience and you do follow-up marketing. Your emails should continue to deliver value, build trust, and guide your audience toward your offer. If any of these steps feel disconnected, your audience will notice. They'll feel like they have been bait and switch, and they'll lose trust in you. So here is the takeaway. Be intentional with every step of the process. From your ad to your landing page to your lead magnet and emails, everything must flow logically. If something feels off, fix it. Remove any doubt in your prospect's mind, because doubt is the killer of conversions. Remember, it is not just about what you say on the list, it is about what you said before they joined. That's what got their attention. Your job is to keep that attention by delivering a seamless, logical journey that leads them to a buying decision. Every step should connect, every message should align, and every action should move them closer to saying yes. That's how you build a list that converts.